Nah, this bitch is cute. I saw it on the ad. It was fly on that girl. Somebody lying. Girl. Ooh wee. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute.
Then why would you do that?
See, because what is happening with my mic stand? No shit. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl, Mary Kay.
Let the church say subscribe.
What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Hey guys, welcome to another episode of No Influencer Privilege. Y'all, you already know what time it is. This is where I ghost buy wigs. If you're new to my channel, you may be asking yourself,
Then why would you do that?
well, I'm gonna just tell you catch up on the rest of the ones, especially episode 1, because I explained it very thoroughly. Okay, basically we trying to see what folk gonna send. See because See because what is happening with my mic stand? I'm just hold it like this. See, because you can fool some of the people sometimes, but you can't fool all of the people all of the time. Huh? And I'm just doing my civic duty, okay? Ooh wee, honey. Now you showing out today. The vendor is I see hair. Sorry, it's not. It's I like hair. I'm sorry. It's I like hair. I repeat, it is I like hair. Now I see them everywhere, but you know what I have been seeing the most lately? They're mullets. And y'all know I have been looking for a fly mullet. I have been searching. I'm gonna see what they mullet talking about. I'm gonna see. I saw it on an ad. It was fly on that girl. So I know it was probably styled. She probably styled it in the way that she would want it to have. So the style doesn't have to necessarily be exact, but that wig gotta come with it. I like mullets. I'm gonna tell y'all about it too. Hold on. I got my information right here. Y'all, I'm professional. You got to be professional. Okay, so I'm gonna just tell you about it. We're gonna look at it and then I'm gonna style it and see if they coming with that thunder. I may have to press it because it is a mullet, so I may have to. And the way it looks on this picture, it's like a bang right here, and it's got the side that's kind of shaved down. So I don't know if I have to do any customization to it, but it's $119 right now on the website. So yeah. It's got to have some perks, y'all. Now, it is human hair. It's not, it's not synthetic. So that's got something to do with it, too. Let me just tell y'all the details. Human hair wig, mullet, glueless, short, natural, straight with bangs. This is machine made. We're going to see. We're going to see. We're going to see about this. And I got natural black. Oh, that's the only option. That's why I got it. Because they didn't put in for no other colors. So... and it's one cap size. Okay, yeah, it's one everything. So you're not gonna have very many choices when you make your order. It's one size fits all, and they're gonna put it in a bag and ship it. Now this bitch is cute. I ain't gonna hold you, man. These pictures cute though, for real. I don't know if it's gonna give it like this, y'all. I'm gonna be honest.
I'm not that confident in this one.
I lined my lips today. Y'all see that? I lined my lips today. I lined my lips today. All the church folk looking like this. No shit. Y'all know it's good to know Jesus. Y'all know that. It's good to know the Lord. So I do have to tell you about shipping. So let me get my screenshots. Y'all already know the process. It does not come to me. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't come to me. So I have different people that I work with to make this happen. Let me see the day it was ordered. Okay. Let me see, that's 7. So 19 days, okay? It got to the first destination in 19 days, very close to 3 weeks for this machine-made mullet wig. I don't know why it would take that long, to be honest. I have no clue. Some wigs, I understand shipping, the processing taking a lot longer, but for a machine-made mullet wig, I would suggest they come off that shipping time. That's just me personally. Y'all, have I been blurry this whole time? Let me tell you something. If I have been blurry this whole time, I am so sorry. But
we gonna have a blurry video today.
Do I feel like that's long for this wig? Yes. However, if the wig is bomb, the wig is bomb. You just know that you got to order it accordingly. Okay? Don't order it thinking you about to get it in a couple days or even a week or even 2 weeks. Order it well in advance is what I'm saying. I'm just saying. It's going to be a whole lot of midnight hours before you get this wig. That's what I'm saying to you, okay? Now, so here is the bag. Very heavy duty bag too, honey. This look like the Home Depot of wig bags. This thing is real industrial, honey. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Let's see what gifts I got. This is reminding me of Halloween, honey. This is their melt band, their elastic melt band. So when you are melting your lace down. And this is glueless, so I'm not going to be using any sort of adhesive, which is lovely. That's always what I prefer anyways. And then we have some duck clips, an edge whisperer. This is a pretty basic one, y'all. They sent me a little thing, a little barrette that says I like on it. Bam. Whoop. Think it's a game? It's clearly not. Okay, so that's a nice, nice gift set. Honey, I'm just talking. Let me tell you something. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if y'all can tell, but my husband and I were up so late. Like, literally, I don't know when we went to bed, to be honest. Could have been 5 o'clock this morning. And we get up early. We start our day early, okay? We was just up, y'all. We was watching old Apollo videos. We was watching Eat Man. Honey, we was watching all kinds of stuff. Chad, we just had us a time, okay? I'm here on God's good grace and coffee right now, okay? Honey, we had a ratchet good time yesterday. Hey, let's look at this, y'all. Wait a minute. I'm gonna be honest, this don't even feel, this feel like, they might as well have used synthetic hair. This don't feel amazing. I ain't lying. Now I'm gonna show you the picture. Hold on. This the side. This the bike. No. I thought this was gonna be a show. I told y'all I was nervous about this. And upon further inspection, I may have been correct. I'm gonna just tell y'all. Okay, so there's no lace. Can you cut it out? Now this is nice. This is a nice adjustable elastic band. It will give you a good snug fit. Adjustable straps. You got a comb in the back, and you have 2 combs off to the side with pride. Okay, so 2 off to the side with pride, 1 in the back. You got this. So you can shout in this, even if you go to your friend's Kojic church. This wig will not fly off.
And you will not end up on TikTok, okay?
Look at the program and see who preaching. Then that way you can determine. So if you got plans to shout, this one right here, this wig might be your best bet, okay? I can't say nothing else about it, y'all. I'll let you know. Kenya! I'll let you know how I feel about it. But, I like hair. Listen. I'm going to tell you what a ninja told me. A mouthful of gold don't make you no G. It don't. It don't. It really don't. Yeah, this is not... Y'all, no. This is not even the same. What? It's supposed to be a shorter side and everything. Somebody lying. No. Mm-mm. 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 Girl. Ooh wee. Okay, y'all. I'ma just try it on real quick. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. Can this be styled? Yes. Should you have to do all of that for $119? No. I can grab a wig off Amazon. Like, seriously, y'all. Think about this now. Even if I probably can create something that looks really, really nice with this. Personally, for me to purchase this wig, it would have to come down in price. It just would have to come down in price. Y'all know it's not for me, if it's worth it to me, I'll spend the money for a certain type of quality. Y'all already know that. I do synthetic wigs, but they still nice. You know what I'm saying? But I also do very, very high end human hair wigs. So it's not, and I have purchased them. Let me be clear about that. I don't have a problem with the $119 if I felt like it was worth it. So I could get something done to it. But the point is, and it's not even what they sent. It's not right, because it's supposed to be a long strip like this. Nah. This supposed to be a long bang like so. Nope. This is exactly why I do this. No. This is not what's on the picture. It just is what it is. There is no the picture clearly has a longer bang. It's asymmetrical. It's clear, okay? It's supposed to be shorter on one side. It's not. If this is the same wig, someone has gotten this wig and they have added hair, they've added a bang, they've shaved the sides. So what you see is not what you are going, that's not what I got. That's all I'm saying. Vendors should not do that, because if you just tell the truth, shame the devil, people might be like, I like that. I like it how it is out the box. And it would have been all good. Woo, child. Y'all, they showing after it's so much hair has been added in these styles. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna finagle it, because I can finagle it. We already know that. We know it can be finagled. Clearly hair has been added. After the wig has been altered. Notice, not styled, because if it was the same wig and it was just styled a certain way, I can get with that. You want to show the wig in the best light, right? The best presentation. Styling is fine. This has been altered. So now it's a different wig. And I'm not telling you not to buy it. Listen, if you want to buy, they have a mullet on here that's for $99, so it's a little bit less. You want to put in a little work? Shoot, do your thing. I will have the link in the description box. That's why I fool with companies that use realistic photos. That's exactly why. I'm done. I ain't fooling with y'all. Listen, I'm going to just style it real quick, do something to it, and I'll be back. Y'all, between me having a late night and this wig, honey, whoop, chat. Listen, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. If you like these ghost buying videos and you want to see more of them and you want to be notified when I upload, hit that subscribe button. Join the family and join the fun. Okay.